Hi, my name's Caillou, and today I'm making pizza. We'll put this on. That hurts! Jeez. I'm putting the sauce on. And guacamole and cheese. That's it. What else do I put that on after?
Next you put on the cheese after all the sauce goes on.
All of it? When it's all gone?
Yep.
Not a cheese. I'm putting the cheese on. And this. Hi, Mommy. I did this. Hi, Mommy. My name's Kai. And hi, Mommy. Hi, Mommy.
Hi, Caillou.
Hi, Mommy. My name's Caillou. And today I'm making pizza.
Spread your cheese all around.
Okay.
Jasper, can you help spread the cheese?
Okay, y'all.
Can you spread it around the pizza so it's on evenly?
Like that?
Yeah, that's good.
And this?
And now you put the pepperoni on.
It's ready to be cooking it up.